Hi everyone, this is John with the Patient Technology Program at CS Mott Children's Hospital and Build Up Mobile. Today I'm going to show you how to build a Lego spider. These are all the pieces you will need to build today's creation. To start, we're going to take our 2x6 plate, another 2x6 plate, and we're going to have them right next to each other. Next, we're going to take our inverted slope and attach it right here in the middle, locking these two together. Next, we're going to take our 2x2 orange brick and put it right behind our inverted slope, again locking these two plates together. Next, we're going to get our 2x4 brick and put it right here next to the orange 2x2. Now we're going over here and we're going to get another inverted slope and we're going to put it right here. And now we're going to put another one on the other side. So all three of them are back here. Now we're going to get another 2x4 brick and we're going to put it right here on top, locking all of these pieces together. Now we're going to get our 1x2 inverted slopes and they're going right here on the back. So we'll put one here and another one right next to it, just like this. Now we're going to get our 1x2 with the studs on the side. It's going right on top of our inverted slope, just like this. And now we're going to flip this around and put another one on top of this inverted slope, just like that. Now we're going to get our cool purple piece and it's going right on top of here, covering that little crack, just like this. Next, we're going to get our cool curved piece and put it right on top of the purple, just like this. Now we're going to get another 2x4 brick and we're going to cover these bumps on the green and this row on the orange. So it's going right here. We snap that down. So it's looking just like this. Next, we're going to get another 2x4 orange and we're going to cover these two bumps on the white inverted slopes and this row on the orange brick. So it's going right here. Next, we're going to get our cool shiny gold piece and we're going to put it right on top of the inverted slopes. Next, we're going all the way over here and we're going to get our little gray bracket and we're going to put it right here. So we have two bumps facing the outside. And now, we're going to get another one and put it on this side. So we're looking like this. Now, we're going to get a green 1x2 with the studs on the side. And we're putting it right here, locking both of these brackets together. Now, we are going to get our 2x2 round plate and putting it right back here on top of our orange 2x4, so it's not on top of this one. It's right here. And now we're going to get our other cool green piece, and it's going right here on top of our 2x2. Next, we're going to get another one of our 1x2 bricks with the studs on the side, and it's going right on top of this one, just like this. And now we're going to get another 2x2 plate and put it right up here, locking our greens together. Next, we're going to get our 1x4 plate, and it's going to go right on top of these two studs, just like this. So we want one stud hanging off on each side. Next, we're going to get our little orange slopes, our cheese wedges, and we're going to put them down here. So one is going right here, sloping down towards the outside, and we're going to get the other one facing the other way, so it creates a nice little point right there. And that's going to be the spider's mouth. Next, we're going to get our tiny eyes. I'm going to put one right here and another one right there. And now we're going to get two more of our eyes. One goes here and the other goes right here, giving our spider a little face. Next, we're going to get our little antenna, and that's going on this first bump right here. So we're going to put that right there, and the antenna piece is going to be facing forward. Next, we're going to get one of our white curved pieces, and it's going on this bump right over the top of our antenna, just like this. So now we're going to do the same thing on this side. So we're going to get our little antenna and put it right here on the first bump, just like this. And now our white curve on this bump right here, just like that. Now our spider has a little face and some cool sensors on the front. Now we're going to get our big pink curve, and we're going to take it and put it on these middle pieces right here. So we have four right here, so we want this one and this one. So we're going to take one and put it right there. And we're going to take another one and have it go the other direction, right next to it. So these are going to be the start of our spider's legs. Next, we're going to go to the other side and do the same thing. So we're going to have our first big pink curve right here, and another one right next to it. So next, we're going to put our spider down for a second. He can hang out over here. And we have four more of these 2x2 rounds and four more of these jumper plates. So what we're going to do is take these jumper plates and put it right on top of our 2x2 rounds, just like this. So we're going to do that with all of them. There we go. And these are going to be the rest of our spider's little feet. So we're going to take our spider, flip him over, and I'm going to take this bump on the jumper plate, and we're going to put it right in each corner. So I'm going to take this one, put it in this corner, just like that. I'm going to get another one using the little bump on top, right in that corner. There we go. Let's get another one right in this corner, just like that. And our last one is going in this corner, right here. There we go. And now we have a friendly little spider.